If Slack is showing an error page, don't worry. In most cases, it's caused by a temporary connection issue, a slow network, a VPN conflict, or corrupted browser cache. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Slack working again without wasting time. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, the easiest thing to try is simply refreshing the page. Sometimes Slack just fails to load properly for a moment, and a quick refresh is enough to bring everything back. If the page reloads and Slack opens normally, then the issue was only temporary. If not, move on to the next step. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger an error page in Slack, especially if the app is trying to load messages, channels, or workspace data in the browser. Open your browser and search for speed test. Run a quick speed test and look at both your download speed and, just as importantly, your connection stability. If your internet looks slow, laggy, or inconsistent, that could be the reason Slack is failing to load. If your connection seems to be the problem, the next thing to do is switch networks. For example, if you're currently on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a hotspot, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. This is a great way to confirm whether the issue is coming from your current network rather than Slack itself. Sometimes workplace networks, home routers, or public Wi-Fi can block certain requests or cause session problems. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off and try loading Slack again. VPNs and proxies can interfere with authentication, page loading, and secure connections, which may cause Slack to display an error page instead of opening normally. Once you disable it, refresh Slack and check whether the problem is gone. If Slack still isn't loading correctly, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can create display or loading issues on websites like Slack. If you're using Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear the cached files, and if needed, you can also clear cookies for Slack. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Slack again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. Start with refresh, then test your internet speed, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. That order gives you the quickest path to finding the cause and fixing it fast. If you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe because I post easy step-by-step fixes for common software problems. And if this video helped you get past the Slack error page, give it a like so more people can find it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.